Hi everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to tell you how to check email categories in iPhone mail application. So as you can see, I don't have my categories enabled yet, so let's enable them. Here and categories. Here, as you can see, how to check email categories. We can check them using just a few clicks. We can move between them. Here, as you can see, I don't have anything in transactions. Here I do have some things in the update section. Here I do have some in promotion section. And here we do have the all mail section, category itself. And the most important thing is primary, because here we do have all things like, for example, Google security alerts, some accounts things, or some, as you can see, LinkedIn's, like everything with our, for example, deliveries or something like that. That's it. Hope it helps you and goodbye.